Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question on your screen. 2 to the power 4x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power x, and it is very interesting to know over here that is 4x plus 1 here. 1 2 3 4, all numbers are here. How we can solve this question? So before proceeding, you can see here how we can represent 3 to the power x. So we can write this one in this way, 2, and then we can write log 3 having base 2, and x will be as it is. In this way we can write 2 log 3 base 2 x, and it is here same in this way obviously. And we are knowing one thing, that here power x, this will going to multiply with this. So 2 to the power x into log 3 base 2, and here 2 to the power 4x plus 1. How we can say that this one, this one by using one formula over here. Suppose a to the power m and there is n, so this is going to, this exponent will multiply together in this way by using this formula. That's why. And this can be solved because bases are same, so obviously their exponents will be equal, by using this formula. That formula, suppose if I'm writing a to the power suppose b, and also suppose a to the power suppose c, obviously their b is equal to c. So I'm using this formula over here. Obviously there, this and this bases are equal over here, so obviously their powers will be equal. So I'm just going to equate their powers, 4x plus 1, and it is coming x log 3 base 2, and this can be solved in this way because I need to put all the variables on the left side and constant term will be on the right side. So here 4x, and this one will be here x log 3 base 2, and 1 will come on the right side by changing its sign, -1, and I need to take common over here. So this is coming 4 negative log 3, and base is 2 here, it is coming -1, and then we have this value is here, that is I need to get x, so it is coming -1 and divided by 4 negative log 3 base 2, this way. And we can change our sign also. So this is -1 I am taking common, and here also I am taking negative common, so it is coming log 3 base 2 and -4. So negative will cancel, and finally we have x is equal to 1 divided by log 3 base 2 -4, and this is our solution. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.